Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last month and how the price of natural gas can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas after 2009, what we have seen, it is moving in this zone. There are not much of volatility we have seen in the price of natural gas, but after pandemic we have seen so much of volatility, as well as it has already made a half around $9.98, and from there the continuous fall. Okay, if you look at this particular 9.9, I have already explained you that chances was very high. Why? Because there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern is formed in natural gas only after pandemic. What it says, that whenever hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, suppose this is the first high and it made a new high, and after that a sharp fall has come. Okay, and it formed a swing, that is where it went upside and a sharp fall has come. It formed a swing, it moved upside third time and a sharp fall has come. Okay, this is being repeated for quite some time, and this is the time where we have seen 9.9 as a resistance, where the price sustain and make a high. After that there is a continuous fall. Since 2 months we have seen it is trying to go upside natural gas, but it is not moving above a level of $3, and $3 is playing an important role, okay, in a zone high. See, 3.05 is a zone high and a low of 2.079. These are the two high and lows, so you have to the range zone. So once it started breaking this particular zone, a probability of going further upside will be there. If it break a level of 2.79 zone, then we can see it can move further low respectively. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next month, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, probability is high because we have seen since 2 months it is trying to go upside. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain, it can go towards its next resistance of $2.594. It is on a monthly basis point. Okay, chances are high, and if this sustain, then yes, a probability is that it can touch a level of $2.829. $2.829 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch a level of $3.115. Okay, suppose if the price sustain a level of $3.115, which is already being tested here. Again I repeat, chances are very high if this level sustain, it can go further high and can cross a level of $3.3 also, because all these resistance coming up of this level are being tested here, and a probability is that it can go further upside. Okay, so once it sustain $2.59, it can cross a level of $2.774, and from there we can see it can go towards 2.994. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, then chances of going towards 3.026 is there, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone, and then a probability of touching 3.206 is there. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above that level, then a probability it can cross a level of $3.32. Okay, after this what we can see, 2.5, probability of touching 3.205 is there, because all these resistance between them are already being tested here. So if it crosses this particular zone, chances of touching 3.3 is there, and if that level move further upside, then chances of touching a level of 3.3, and then from there we can see it could cross that particular zone, and chances of touching 3.705 is there. So once the price sustain $3.705, then yes, a probability towards its next resistance at a level of $4.1 is there, and this is also being a weak resistance, so chances can be high if the price sustain for the third time, then it can go further high, and a gap is still pending at a level of 4.1 to 4.35. okay, if the price move above a level of 3.5, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Okay, so gap is still pending, that you have to keep a note of it. So 4.5 and to a level of 4.5, a probability it can fill this particular gap. Okay, now market is always uncertain, that you know it. Okay, always set your SL and a particular and trail your profit, because you should not wipe out your profit, that is very important, and you should not wipe out your capital. So this is, you have to save, and how you can save? Only by setting your particular SL or particular limit for a particular week for a particular trade, for a particular day. Suppose you have $100,000 capital. Don't For a particular day, don't let it go beyond 2k or 3k. That is very important. This is how I teach what I teach in my workshop. If you want it, I can give a workshop one-on-one as well as in the group. You can mail me and then we can work out on it. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further low towards a level of around $2.246. Okay, and if that level move further low, then yes, a probability of going towards 2.041 is there. If the price fall below that particular zone, yes, chances are very high it can move towards a level of $2.41 there, because this level $2.46 is already being a weak support, because this 2.04, once it goes above this particular level 2.091, chance of touching 2.091 will be there. And if that level move further low, yes, then we can see it can go towards $1.786. okay, if the price fall below $2. And if the price fall below that particular zone also, then yes, what we can see, it can go towards a level of $1.640. $1.640 is already being a weak resistance, weak support. Okay, then what you can see, it can go further low towards a level of $1.48. Keep that in mind. 1.640 is a weak support, so chances are very high it can touch a level of $1.48. And if that level also move further low, then yes, a probability is very high it can go further down, and chances of touching a level of $1.38 is there, and from there we can see a level of $1.184 if the price move below a level of 1.3. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. I'm making short videos so you can understand and watch it full. Okay, and if you want to attend a workshop where I teach how to overcome all these negative thoughts and about trading, and when you lose your money, why you lose money, and analysis of all your trades, if you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.